cursor blinks on an empty document, a lone window in the otherwise pitch-black room. "Here we go again," he mutters, fingers poised over the keyboard. Another day, another disappearing act. His breath is visible in the chill of the unheated room, a relentless rhythm on an old-fashioned typewriter, echoing like a metronome ticking away seconds. Did something happen between 420 and 422? He types, leaning back to survey his work thus far. "Here is the part that gets me." He pauses, the clicking of the keys briefly replaced by the hum of his old computer whirring to life. "YouTube feels wrong," he continues, his fingers dancing over the keys like watching a movie through frosted glass. The videos play, but there's something off.